Welcome traders to yet another educational video of Nifty Short-Term View, episode number 5. In my previous video, I had shared that Nifty was showing a probability on 22nd of November that a small pullback is probable in the markets. And we saw a nice pullback happening in 2 days. And today itself, we saw that the Nifty futures did made a short-term top and it started correcting once again. So there are two things which need to be understood over here. The level which I shared over here, the support level, it worked very strongly because the support was due to this particular trend line. First of all, the two trend lines which are converging over here. Second is there is some sort of candlestick cluster over here. All right, these two things. And one more thing which we can see over here, I'll just draw this Fibonacci extension for you. Just give me a second. Yes, you can see over here there is a Fibonacci extension and there is a support level which is coming over here. So 2 to 3 things were coming together and a support confluence was built, and due to this we had a fabulous pullback in 2 days. All right, now what has happened today is Nifty was going up very smoothly and all of a sudden we saw a very sharp sell-off in almost last 3 hours of the trading session. In late noon, we saw the selling. So first of all, I would like to do the analysis on the daily chart. What we can see over here, this particular candle pattern seems to be bearish. All right, you can see this looks like a dark cloud cover, although this is not classical dark cloud cover, but yes, it does look like one. But we can also see that this dark cloud cover has come up at a range, at a band of support. All right. So will it actually crack the support band of these trend lines, and will it be able to go further down or not? That is a $1 million question today. To understand that, we'll have to check the hourly time frame. Now in the hourly time frame, what we can see, prices have come down, and when these prices have come down, they have come from a place where you can see this is the opaque lines in the volume profile, which means this was the range where higher amount of volumes has been traded, especially this one. And exactly from there, prices started coming down. One more thing which I can see, if you saw a couple of days back, the distance between these two bands, the upper Bollinger Band and the lower Bollinger Band, was very wide. It means the volatility was very high. Prices started going up, the volatility contracted, and once again prices have come down. All right, I will just go to the 15-minute chart and it will be even clearer. You can see how nicely this Bollinger Band has contracted, and once you can see prices started closing below the lower band, there was a very sharp sell-off in today intraday session, right? We can also see some sort of, if I join all these points, I'm pretty sure there will be a trend line breakdown evident in RSI. All right. So all these signs show very clearly that once again, bears have taken over the market, but you can see there is some sort of support coming up over here. So now the question is, will the Nifty futures be able to break this support level or not? According to me, trend is down and the probability of market going down is slightly higher, but there is one level which we need to understand, and this is yesterday's low, this particular level. If you can see 17,255, 17,250, this is a low which is going to act as a very, very, very strong support, my friends. Until and unless, I repeat, until and unless prices do not close below this, you need to understand, if anyone is trying to go short over here near the support area, it can be a disaster. But once I think prices close below this level, all right, then the two levels which I can see, which can get tested in next few days, are 17,152, 17,150, and probably even 17,050 levels. So we could come and hit these levels somewhere over here, which will be probably the 50% retracement of this entire rally which has happened in last few months. All right. So this is the state of the market right now. And if you check the sectoral indices today properly, Then PSU banking index, metals index, and even private banks did pull back. But at last, if you can see what has happened, you can see these candles. This is a shooting star. In PSU banks also, you can see this is a small shooting star. In metals, you can see again, once again, this is a shooting star. All right. So what has happened is more or less all the indexes which had pulled back, all of them have cooled off from their intraday highs. And if you check properly, then IT and the auto pack have been underperformers. All right. So once again, I'll just remind you that 17,255, 17,250, this particular level is going to act as a very strong immediate support for the market. In case if we manage to close below that for one day at least, then we can test 17,152 and maybe even 17,030 levels or maybe 17,050 levels. Once again, this can act as a strong support. If this is broken, then I'll share in my next video what can happen ahead. All right. So I hope this educational video has helped you. Share it with other traders also so they can also take benefit from it. And let me know by your comments below that how did you find this educational video? Thank you. Trade less and trade wisely.